A brush that innovates by its sweetness and its amazing results. Innovates by its sweetness. I'm no marketing genius, but I guess we'll go with it. I probably wouldn't have been the first thing I would have thought of to describe a vacuum cleaner, that it innovates with its sweetness, but we'll see how it goes. This is the all-new JohnnyVac from the JohnnyVac Cordless vacuum cleaner, and it's the vacuum with a brush that innovates by its sweetness. So we're going to give one away. Check it out on the link below. We'll see if it actually does innovate by its sweetness.